So SAP have just released this message status overview, and it's a thing that would enable you to give you an understanding about what's going on in your integration suite system. How many messages have you processed? So you can see per I flows. I'm not sure if anyone is using these APIs. You can see per message type, per sender and receiver. So you can also go in and see, are there any of my systems that is behaving badly or I need to do something with. So it gives a lot of insight about the different messages that's being processed in your system. It is also possible to use it in Edge, but I guess it has not been released in the Edge runtime yet. Let's see when that is that's going to happen. For now, I think it's really a good tool. It gives you some good advantages about being able to see what's going on. It's nothing new. Integrate have it in their plugin. We also in the Figaf tool have a version of this where we fetch all the payloads or MPLs, header records, and do a similar calculation. Split out as we had in the PR world about per hourly period, so you can see details and filter, etc. Makes a lot of sense to have. So whenever you see something new like this, it's like, okay, this is pretty cool. It gives you a good overview, and then you start thinking, okay, so what's next? So what is it else that you have of options for this? So obviously the time period here is quite interesting, and I would imagine that they've added this hour to begin with, just to make sure that check the performance. What's the impact of running this? How many times are you actually going to be sitting here and pressing refresh to see all the messages that has been processed in your system, and what is actually the use cases for it? Because yeah, obviously it would be nice to see the last day, the last 3 days or something like that, because if you are starting out on a weekend, it would be nice to know, okay, so how many failed retry messages do we actually have that we should be considering for these things. Obviously you can also go in and set up schedules for these things, but it's nice to see some good improvements, making it easier for developers to work and understand what's going on. I hope you like it. What is it that you like about this feature? Please share it in the comments below. I would like to have your ideas on this and what you think about it, and if you have gotten access to it. Thanks.